Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Springboard is hiring for Student Advising Associate. Job location is Bengaluru, India. It's a full-time job and it's a hybrid role. Let us get to know about the company first. At Springboard, we are on a mission to bridge the world's skill gap, offering transformating online education in data science, UI UX design, tech sales, cybersecurity and coding. Our courses may be tech-enabled, but we are ultimately human-centric. Each student taps into a vast community throughout their time with us, engaging with fellow students, industry expert mentors, career coaches, and student advisors. The goal of which is to successfully transition students into their dream job. Through this hybrid approach, we have helped thousands of learners revamp their careers and, by extension, their lives with hundreds of top-notch job offers received every year. Now let's check the role. We are seeking an empathetic, problem-solving people person to serve as an advising associate. You will provide broad advising capacity to the student success team by making sure students receive timely responses to queries, a consistent account management experience, and reliable support through the duration of the course. In everything you do, you will directly fulfill our educational mission and serve as a vital support system for students. Now here are the key responsibilities. Maintain a high level of student satisfaction through strong written communication to quickly address students' questions, concerns, feedback, and requests via email. Collaborate with student success team to escalate at-risk student cases in need of intervention. Support students in taking breaks, adding extensions, applying for course completion, and cancellation requests. Collaborate with course talent operations team to facilitate mentor matching, manage call rescheduling, and provide mentor-related feedback. Communicate course-related student feedback to learning design team. Develop strong working knowledge of Springboard's student experience, policies, and best practices, acting as a trusted advisor for students across a variety of courses. Demonstrate flexibility in student communication, as you may need to contact student via phone, SMS, Slack, or other platforms. Now your typical day may include responding to student emails and following up accordingly to support questions and requests, informing student success team of at-risk students, matching students with mentors, managing student status changes, managing administrative and operational tasks to ensure timely and consistent student support. This job might be for you if you have 1 to 2 years of experience in customer-facing roles, that is, customer support, account management, or in academic counseling, are passionate about making our students personally and professionally successful, are detail-oriented and well-organized, are resourceful and like to figure stuff out on your own, are an excellent communicator, both verbal and written. You articulate clearly and with empathy. Love learning, especially about new industries, technologies, and want to work on a team that will invest in your personal and professional development. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this apply for this job. After that, this application form will open. Here you can apply with your LinkedIn profile also. You have to upload your resume first. Then you have to fill the basic details, full name, email, phone number, your current company, then your LinkedIn profile URL. Please share your compensation expectation for your next role. So your expected CTC, additional information if you want to add. Then you have to click on this submit application and submit this application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates, channel को subscribe कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.